Market surge, US-Iran ceasefire, and the reopening of Hormuz. The global financial landscape underwent a seismic shift today as news of a fragile ceasefire between the US and Iran broke. This breakthrough centers on a 10-point proposal by Tehran, leading to the immediate reopening of the Strait of Hormuz for shipping. The strait, vital for energy supply, caused market volatility. Its restoration of business as usual brings relief to global boardrooms. Wall Street responded with historic enthusiasm. Investors executed a massive risk-on rotation into equities. The Dow Jones Industrial Average skyrocketed, gaining over 1,300 points in a single session, its most significant daily gain in over a year. This rally was mirrored by the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, with heavy buying in transport, retail, and manufacturing sectors. Traders who hedged against conflict are now scrambling to re-enter the market, betting on lower geopolitical risk and stable inflation. The reopening of the Strait of Hormuz is the X factor driving this optimism, with 20% of the world's petroleum moving through this passage. The blockade's end caused oil prices to retreat, easing energy crisis fears. Shipping companies and logistics giants saw stock prices jump as insurance premiums for maritime transit began to normalize. This de-escalation is a potential turning point for the 2026 fiscal year, offering a much-needed reprieve for global supply chains. However, despite the jubilation on trading floors, a sense of cautious optimism remains. Analysts at Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan warn that the ceasefire is fragile and depends on adherence to the 10-point framework. Diplomatic observers note that the technical details of the proposal still require rigorous verification to ensure long-term stability. While the war premium has vanished for the day, the market's sustainability depends on whether this diplomatic spark can become permanent peace. For now, the stop war sentiment has clearly won the day in the financial pits. The shift from a wartime footing to a diplomatic one has boosted stock indices and strengthened the US dollar. As the trading day closes, the narrative is clear. The world is eager for stability. Whether this rally is a prolonged bull market or a temporary relief bounce will become clearer as tankers pass through Hormuz tonight.